guys, today we have Samsung A6 2018 not charging. Let's do it. Try to turn on the phone, no response, put it in the charger, also no response, no sign or vibrates. It looks like dead. The customer told me the phone stopped charging, so heat the device at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds. So we need to take out the screen without damage it. We need to do it in a professional way. Take the whole time you need to take it easier. No need to rush or anything. Be focused while you are doing this with no disruption, and continue working until you remove it without any damage. I need to mention the flex cable of the screen is from the bottom of the device, where I'm just putting the plastic tools right now. It's beside the white one, so you don't need to put it too much under it, otherwise you can cut the flex cable, and we don't need to do that damage. We need always to be professional while we are working and repairing. You can hit again until you can remove it without any damage. Okay, I will leave you for a few seconds. We are almost done. Okay, open the screen, remove the flex cable and remove the plastic piece. Okay, remove the flex cable, remove the screen. Looks like good, nothing damaged. Okay, remove all screws from the board and let's continue. Remove SIM card both slot if it's 2 SIM card. Okay, Now you can push the plastic frame with the board. Okay. Remove battery flex cable and then remove the two black screws from the board. Unplug audio jack. Now we can remove the board. Okay. Put the board on holder, bring the new charging port and solder the legs. Solder the 6 legs, I think 6 or 7 legs. Now remove the old charging port. Use iron and heat gun. Will make the job easier for you if you want. And then you can just removing with the iron soldered. Okay, it's removed. Now bring the new one. Put it where it belongs. Wait a few seconds until the iron melted. The solder melted, not the iron. Okay. Sorry for the bad view. It should be in the other angle. That's it, all done. Put the board in. Test the charging. And it should be charging now. You can now continue the assemble. I will check the charging later. It's better for you before assemble to check if the device is charging now. When you put the battery, you can put the screen again now and check whatever the phone turns on or start charging. I think that's enough for me. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and then subscribe for me. We will see you in the next video. See ya, my friends. like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.